Hope you all are fine. Today our book is 7 New Countdown, second edition. And today our exercise is 3. Exercise is 3 and our page number is 45. I remember exercise number is 3 and page number is 45. Now we have done the last question which I can do in my previous videos. So today we have to do express the following rational numbers as decimals by division. Okay, we have to express them as decimals by division. 2 by 5. First of all, we have to write a question. Exercise is 3. Question number is 7. Express the following numbers as decimals. We have to express them number as decimals by division method. Okay, with the help of division. Decimal means that we have to place point. How we can have to place point in it? We have to divide 2 with 5. Always the numerator comes in bracket and denominator is out of the bracket. 2 doesn't come in a table of 5. Okay, 2 doesn't come in a table of 5. So we can place 0 point and 0 also come with 2. Okay, whenever we have place point, we have to place here a 0. 5 4s are 20. So its answer is 0.4. Now move towards its part number 2, which is 3 by 30. 3 by 30. 3 and 30. Again, when we can place here a point, we can place here a 0. Before point there is no value, so we can place a 0. 30 ones are 30. So its answer is 0.1. I hope that you all are in class 7 and you know how to divide the different values and make them in a division or a decimal form. Okay. Now next is 17 is divided with 25. 0.0. So if we can multiply 17 and 25. If we can multiply 25 with 6, 5 6 are 30, 0 3 carries, 6 2 the 12, 13 14 15. This is 150. So 6 are 150. The remainder is 50, 60, 70. The remainder is 20. Again here we can place a point. After placing a point, we can place here a 0. This is 200. So 25 multiplied by 8. 4 carry, 8 16 17 18 19 20. So if we can multiply 25 with 8, the answer is 200. Okay, the next part is about its part number 4, which is 17 by 5. Now we have to divide it. 17 comes in a bracket and 5 out of the bracket. As 17 doesn't come in a table of 5, but the smaller number which is smaller than 17 comes in a table of 5. The number which comes is 15. 5 3s are 15. So if we can subtract 17 from 15, the answer is 2. Now we can place here a point and here a 0. 5 4s are 20. Now move towards next part, which is minus 5 by 8. 5 comes in a bracket and 8 out of the bracket. As 5 doesn't come in a table of 8, so we can place a 0. 8 5s are 5 8s are 40. So 8 5s are 40 and 8 6 are 48. 49 and 50. 2 is remainder, so we can place one more 0. Here we can place one more 0. So 20 doesn't come in a table of 8. Which number smaller than 20 comes in a table of 8? 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 2s are 16, 17 18 19 20. so the 4 is remainder. Again we can put here a 0 because after placing a point we can put a 3 zeros. Now 8 5s are 40. So this question is solved. We have to solve these questions. Till then we have find its answer and its last digit cancels with each other. Now move towards its part number 6, which is 18 by 125. Again there is a minus sign, so we can place minus 0.625. 18 by 125. Now we have to divide these 18 with 125. We can place a 0.10. 125 ones are 125. Now we can subtract it 5 7 3 4 5 6 7. So the 55 is remainder. As we can put here as point, so we can put here one more 0. Okay, 125. If 125 is multiplied with 4, 5 4s are 20, 0, 2 carry 4 2s are 8, 9 10 0, 1 upper carry, 4 1s are 4, 5. This is 500. 50 remains, so 125 4s are 500. Again 50, we can place a 0. 125 4s are 500, so this is cancelled, and minus 0.144 is our answer. I can put all the answers in brackets. Okay, we have completed over question number 7. We can do over question number 8 in our next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself and keep practicing maths.